This 2023 Jayco Jay Feather Micro 166 FBS sofa, bed slide, front EW queen bed as a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 19 feet 8 inches in length and features a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 4, microwave, slide-out, TV, air conditioning, water heater, stovetop burner, external shower, refrigerator, skylight, auxiliary battery, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Jayco Jay Feather Micro 166 FBS sofa, bed slide, front EW queen bed is 4,170 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.